सभी दोस्तों का मेरे YouTube चैनल पर स्वागत है। चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। केंद्रीय कृषि विश्वविद्यालय द्वारा प्रोफेसर, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर की भर्ती के लिए 186 पोस्ट की वैकेंसी निकली हैं। साथ ही चेयरमैन के 4 पदों की भर्ती हैं। इसमें ऑनलाइन आवेदन करने की अंतिम तारीख 31 मई 2023 है। फीस जनरल ओबीसी की फ़ीस 1000 रुपये हैं तथा SC, ST, PWD वुमेन कैंडिडेट्स की कोई फ़ीस नहीं है। सैलरी प्रोफेसर चेयरमैन की सैलरी एकेडमिक लेवल 14 RS 1,44,200 तक हैं। एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर की सैलरी एकेडमिक लेवल 13A RS 1,31,400 रुपये तक हैं। असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर की सैलरी एकेडमिक लेवल 10 RS 57,700 तक हैं। एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर मास्टर्स डिग्री इन द रिलेवेंट सब्जेक्ट इंक्लूडिंग रिलेवेंट बेसिक साइंस with at least 55% marks or equivalent grade point. Good academic record with PhD degree in the relevant discipline. A minimum of 10 years of experience in teaching or research extension or which at least these 3 years should be as associate professor or equivalent in pay band 4 level 13A. Experience of guiding students at master's and doctoral levels. Published work in the form of at least 10 scientific papers in journals of repute with 5 and above NAS rating. Evidence of providing scientific leadership including handling of externally funded research projects. Desirable contribution to educational innovations, design of new curricula and courses and development of technology mediated teaching, learning resources, specialization for food technology, fruits, vegetables, spices and plantation products, food plan layout, pilot plant operation and maintenance, research methodology for processing and food engineering, unit operation in food processing, equipments design, fabrication and maintenance. For professor microbiology, food microbiology, quality testing, safety standards and certification. Associate professor, master's degree in the relevant subject including relevant basic science with at least 55% marks or equivalent grade point. Good academic record with a PhD degree in the relevant discipline. A minimum of 8 years of experience of teaching, research, extension, education as assistant professor or equivalent position. Contribution in research, teaching, extension, education as evidenced by published work, innovations and outcome. Published work in the form of at least 5 scientific papers in journals of repute with 4 NAS rating. Desirable contribution to educational innovations, design of new curricula and course and development of technology, mediated teaching, learning resources, specialization. Assistant professor, master's degree in the relevant subject including relevant basic sciences with at least 55% marks or equivalent grade point. Evidence of having cleared the national eligibility test NET conducted by ICAR, ASRB, UGC, CSIR or PhD in relevant subject with published research papers in scientific journals. Desirable experience of teaching undergraduate, postgraduate students, specialization। सभी पात्र कैंडिडेट्स दिनांक 31 मई 2023 तक CAU.ac.in वेबसाइट के माध्यम से आवेदन करें। सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।